What are the underlying foundations upon which the Erasmus Transformation Academy is built? Reporting 3.0 developed a series of so-called blueprints as the minimum viable pillars to create an information infrastructure to organize, measure and communicate progress towards a green, inclusive and open economy. These blueprints make key recommendations, vetted by working groups of global experts, on the necessary transformations in reporting, accounting, data architecture and new business model design. They also form the basis of the implementation-focused Transformation Journey Blueprint, now offered as the curriculum of the Erasmus Transformation Academy. Join the Erasmus Transformation Academy starting in January 2019. Learn how you can benefit from this joint know-how and start your own journey into a thriving future. Register today and stay tuned for more insights in further parts of this series.